The unsung hero of buildings, rebar. Have you ever looked at a skyscraper and wondered, how does it stand so tall? What makes these towering structures so resilient and enduring? The answer often lies beneath the surface, in the form of steel bars called rebar. These hidden heroes are essential to the integrity of modern architecture. Rebar is like the skeleton of a building, providing strength and support to concrete structures. It ensures that the concrete can bear the immense loads and stresses placed upon it. Without it, our buildings would be much weaker and more prone to damage. Imagine a body without bones. It would collapse under its own weight. Think of it this way. Concrete is great at handling compression, like the weight of a building pushing down. It can withstand enormous pressure without crumbling. But it's not so good at handling tension, like the forces that try to pull it apart. This is where concrete alone would fail. That's where rebar comes in. These steel bars are designed to handle tension, providing the necessary balance to the concrete's compression strength. These steel bars are incredibly strong in tension and work together with concrete to create a composite material that can withstand enormous forces. This synergy is what makes modern construction possible. But simply putting rebar into concrete isn't enough. The placement and arrangement of rebar are crucial to its effectiveness. Just like a skeleton needs to be assembled correctly, rebar needs to be placed and arranged precisely to do its job effectively. Incorrect placement can lead to structural failures. This is where rebar detailing comes in. Detailed plans and precise execution ensure that the rebar performs its role perfectly, providing the necessary support and stability to the structure. Rebar detailing is the intricate process of creating highly detailed drawings and comprehensive instructions that show exactly how the rebar should be placed within a concrete structure. This process is crucial for ensuring the strength and stability of the building. It's like a blueprint specifically for the steel reinforcement, ensuring that every bar is the right size, in the right place, and connected correctly. This meticulous planning helps avoid costly mistakes and ensures the project runs smoothly. These detailed drawings are created by skilled professionals called rebar detailers. They are the unsung heroes of the construction world, working behind the scenes to make sure everything fits perfectly. They use their extensive knowledge of engineering principles, building codes, and advanced construction techniques to create precise plans that guide the construction team. Their expertise ensures that the rebar is installed correctly, which is vital for the building's safety. Think of them as the architects of the building's hidden skeleton. Without their detailed work, the structure would lack the necessary support to stand strong. Without accurate rebar detailing, the entire structural integrity of a building can be compromised. This could lead to serious safety issues and potential structural failures. It's like trying to build a house with a set of incomplete or inaccurate blueprints. The result is likely to be unstable and unsafe. Proper rebar detailing is essential for the longevity and durability of any concrete structure. So, how exactly does rebar detailing contribute to a building's strength and durability? It all comes down to managing the forces that act upon a structure, ensuring that the building can handle various stresses without compromising its integrity. Buildings are constantly subjected to various stresses and strains, from their own weight to wind loads, seismic activity, and even temperature changes. These forces can cause cracks and weaken the structure if not properly managed. Proper rebar detailing ensures that the steel reinforcement is strategically placed to counteract these forces. This involves precise planning and execution to make sure every piece of rebar is in the right place. For example, in areas where tension is expected, such as the bottom of a beam, the rebar will be denser and more concentrated. This helps the beam handle the tensile forces without cracking. In areas of compression, like the top of a beam, the rebar might be spaced further apart. This allows the concrete to handle compressive forces effectively. By carefully calculating the placement, size, and spacing of the rebar, detailers ensure that the concrete is reinforced exactly where it needs to be to resist cracking and maintain its structural integrity. This meticulous process is crucial for the longevity and safety of the structure. It's like creating a network of tiny steel muscles within the concrete, giving it the strength to withstand even the toughest conditions. This network ensures that the building remains strong and durable for many years to come, providing safety and stability. The importance of rebar detailing is evident in countless real-world examples. One striking case is the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. This soaring skyscraper relies heavily on a meticulously designed and implemented rebar system to withstand the immense forces acting upon it. Another example can be seen in earthquake-prone regions like Japan. Buildings in these areas are often constructed with specially detailed rebar that allows them to flex and move with seismic activity rather than crumbling under the pressure. This flexibility is crucial for preventing catastrophic collapses during earthquakes. These are just a few examples of how rebar detailing plays a vital role in creating strong, resilient structures that can withstand the test of time and the forces of nature.